Hello everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to find your forgotten Wi-Fi password on Windows PC. So this will be applicable for all Windows like Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. So there can be two different things, like one, you are already connected to your Wi-Fi but you don't remember the password. Okay, so for that it's very easy. You just need to press the Windows and R key on from your keyboard and the run box will be coming up. And in the run box, you need to type ncpa.cpl and then click on OK. So now all the network adapters will be coming up. You have to look for the Wi-Fi connection you are looking for. Just make a right click on it and then click on status. Now this Wi-Fi status box will be coming up. And here you can check all the other information like the speed, the signal quality, duration, the SSID name. So there are many other things, right? You can check that later. And what you have to click on is wireless properties. Click on it. And this is exactly where we will be getting our password. So here you can see there is a tab called security. Click on it. And here is your network security key. So in order to view it, you just need to click on show characters. Okay. I will be showing you because I will change my password right away after making this video. So if you want to view it, simply click on show characters, okay? And your Wi-Fi password will be displayed here. You can just copy it or you can just make a note of it. And then if you want to connect any other device, you can simply connect it. Now once done, you can close everything. And now let's say that you are not connected to your Wi-Fi connection and you don't remember your Wi-Fi password. So that can be a big trouble, that how you just connect your device. So in that case, you can find out your Wi-Fi password with two methods. Number one, you can do it from your own PC, and number two, you can do it from your router. The router one will be little complicated, so I will take you through with the computer one. So just follow my steps. On the Windows search, you just need to type cmd and then choose it run as administrator. Okay, you have to go with run as administrator because this command probably may not work in the normal command prompt. Okay, so choose run as administrator and this black window will be coming up. Now here we have to just paste two simple commands that you will find in the description box. But first look how exactly I'm doing, and after that you can simply copy the command from the description and follow the steps. So the first command will be nets wlan show profile. So this command will show us all kind of Wi-Fi profile to which we have connected from our device. So once you paste this command, hit on enter and you will see all user profile and only one profile displaying here because I connected to only one Wi-Fi network from my computer. Okay, so the next command will be nets wlan export profile folder equal to this one, and again this you will be getting in the description box. You need to copy and paste it here and then hit on enter. So it's all set. Now you can see it says interface profile Shahbaz is saved in file C Wi-Fi Shahbaz by this name. Okay, so now where we have to go to the C drive, and there we will find this file that will give us the Wi-Fi password. Okay, now let me quickly open my folder and go to the C drive, and here you can see I got this information here, Wi-Fi. So now you can open it from different application. You can open with internet, you can open with a notepad, and so just make a right click on it and then hover up to open with. If you want to open with Internet Explorer, you can click on it and here you will be getting information. So you can close it. So this kind of information you will be getting here. Okay, and now what we have to look here is key material. Okay, this one. So the key will be just in between the key material, that is this one. This is my Wi-Fi password which has been shared here. Okay, so similarly when you do on your PC, you will be getting such kind of page and you have to look for the Wi-Fi password just after key material or probably in between the key material. Okay, And probably if you have created the password, you can easily identify, because hopefully that you remember what exactly it was. You may recall it, right? So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys, and now you can just get your password very easily on your PC. And if this helped to you, then make sure you help me by subscribing to my channel so that you can get more related videos in the future. And that's all guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.